Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to your computer class. Today, we will continue with the topic First Step to the Internet. So, let's begin. Many of you might have heard of the term the Internet. Nowadays, Internet is being widely used to search information, communication with people, for shopping, book railway and air tickets, sending greeting cards, etc. Internet stands for Interconnected Network. It is a huge network of computers which connect computers all around the world. There are millions of computers in this network. It is viewed as a storehouse of information. Let's study about the history of internet, how it came into the picture. In 1969, the Department of Defense of USA set up a network of computers known as ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The aim of designing such a network was to share information on research and development in the field of science and technology. Thus, ARPANET, the first computer network, formed the basis of internet. Some of the uses of internet are as follows. We can get a lot of information on any topic on the internet. It serves as an important source of information. We can get the latest information in every field like business, sports, finance, politics, and entertainment. We can send messages known as emails to any part of the world within few seconds via internet. We can chat with friends, family, relatives through internet. We can buy things online, that is known as online shopping or e-commerce. Here E stands for electronic. Requirements for connecting to the internet. There are basically two types of internet access connections: dial up and broadband. A dial up connection requires a modem, a telephone line, and internet service provider. We will study about internet service provider, that is ISP, later on. A broadband connection requires a modem which can be wired, wireless, and an ISP, that is internet service provider. Modem. A modem is a device that allows a computer to connect and communicate with other computers. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. You have seen the modem in your houses, isn't it? The speed of modem is measured in bits per second, that is BPS. Data transfer media. A medium such as a telephone line or air is used to transfer data from one computer to another. A medium can thus be a wired medium or wireless. Wired medium here means a telephone line, and wireless here means air. Internet service provider, that is ISP. Everyone uses internet service provider at their home. Now what is it? To get an internet connection, you will need a subscription with any ISP for which you have to pay a monthly or an annual fee. Some of the popular ISPs in India are BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Vodafone, and the latest one is Jio. World Wide Web, that is WWW. The World Wide Web is a system of interlinked pages that contain a variety of information that can be accessed via internet by people all over the world. It is basically a reservoir of information from where we extract information. www was developed by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. To access the www, we need web browsers. We will continue with rest of the topics in our next class. Thank you everyone. Keep learning, keep practicing.